Ano nangyari dito? May mga event pa nangyari. Hey, I want to tell you. Event. Bro, Aurora yun. Huh? Oh. No, please. Baka magka-restock din to, guys. Tutulog ako. Please, 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 please. I need the new egg. No, John Del. Don't leave. Hindi pa naman mag-leave yan, di ba, guys? Siyempre, alam nyo na. Hindi matutulog si John Del. Man, she is late too. Look at that. Walang mga ano nangyari. Oops, meron pala. Yo, may butterfly siya. Ah? Basahin mo nga, guys. Oh my dear gosh. Okay, yun pa na sinasabi niya. I have the corrupted chicks. What is this garden too? E. Who is E? I have this. E broke E. I have this butterfly. Okay. Leaves this garden. I need the butterfly. Let's look at that. That's making rainbow. No. Need you. I need the new butterfly. Man, what is going on? Okay, 2 minutes and 5 parkour. This is not making any sense. Guys, naman kasi yung pinagagawa natin. Bro, carry 80, 12 is 68, not 62. Huh? I'm scary. Scary. Bro, please. No. Sana pag nag-lead tong na to, yung time na to, sana meron lang maraming egg. Okay guys, this is making me nervous. What it? Anymore. What? Basahin nyo nga yan, guys. Basahin nyo, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, 1 minute. Stock tong bagong egg na to. Luwa ko to. Oh my gosh, that's a new for repair. Okay, I don't care. 57 na, guys. Sana magka-restock yung bagong parang pet. Kasi lobat na talaga tayo. Roblox has 36 minutes second. Like now. No, Jandel, please, no. Wala na tayong choice, guys, kung mag-lead na. Mayabka. Can't 50 minutes. I can never read, guys. No, don't leave. Okay. Can you, I guess. Whoa. Jandel, why are you not added? Oh, what's here? And if I get that. Oh, wait. I cannot get it. I'm so late. What? What the? I'm here. What is that? Is that the... Okay, guys, beside me. Who is being ban us? Oh, like leave? What? Oh? What the frick? Guys, tell me what is going on. Bro, who is that? Sorry. What? I'm being banned? I need to reset, right? What is going on? Why I'm being kicked out? In the grow garden? What? That's strange. No. Yung nangyaring event. No. What the frick? What is going on? I need to go right now. I'm being banned, guys. I cannot understand. Please. Is this, guys? No, don't tell me, guys. I'm being banned? What? No way I'm being banned, right? Or baby Roblox is still it. Huh? What? No way. Oh, wait. Kailangan ko mag-reset. What the frick is going on? Wait lang, guys, ayos. Okay, guys, naayos na natin. Kala ko talaga itang ini. Okay, we are not being banned. Inulit ko lang, guys, no? Pero why are we kicked out in the game, right, guys? Hindi nyo talaga maintindihan. No, don't tell me I'm being banned to grow garden, right? No, I'm not. Oh, no signal, guys. No signal. Making me nervous. Okay, guys. This is making me nervous. What is going on this game? You guys tell me what is going on. I need ulit. No. Yo, the event, guys. What? Zombie. Or baby, we are low-bat. Ganyan, guys, yan. No, that's the grow garden. No, that's the grow garden. Okay. Guys, very sorry that we are super late. I just the gear shop is restarted. Please, 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 please. If I see nothing, okay guys? If I see nothing, just a freaking nothing, bro. Just a freaking nothing. Nalita nga tayo. Okay. I will get back to admin. What the fuck? No way. No way. No way. This is hahaha. No, don't. No, wala nito mag-base. Oh, baby na. Yup, this is the jungle. Guys, sorry pero para tayong binanod. Yan. Ni Jandel. Ayaan nyo na guys kahit binanod ako ni Jandel. Ay parang pinag-kick out. That's a freaking lagging. I don't know what is going on right now. Nakita ko lang naman. Yo! Ano yun? Swimming lava. Ay, teka. If I can fly. Sammy? Sammy! No! We are poor bar! No, Sammy! Don't, Sammy! Please! Guys, sorry hindi nyo makikita si Sammy kasi robot na tayo. Oh, no, making rich. Shit, guys, shit. Okay. Ano nga ba talaga water? I can't. Okay, guys, nabasa nyo na. We are swimming in the water. Sana may water parkour para easy. Guys, maraming event nangyari ko ganina. Egg? Okay. Egg daw eh. No. What is going on right now? Oh shit, I know that. Candy Pla, is that Jandel? Is this new? No way, nagbago ng outfit si Jandel. Okay guys, nabasa nyo na. Thank you. Stop nyo na yung video para makita nyo. Oh my gosh. You are good, Jandel. Your abs is so big. And we are not forget the tail that look like egg. Like, I don't know. Very sorry. But we are only 4 bar. Guys, makikita pa ba natin talaga si Jandel? I will... No way. Seed shop. No way, burning bud. Oh, like Beanstalk. Oh, this is making me nervous. Yep, baby. Yep, baby. Like baby. Yo, ako kaya burning ba dati na to? Why she have evil mode? Said, oh no, be ready. No, we are not be ready because my poor bar. No, guys, this is not take a while, but we are only that by